At Bountiful Gardens, we believe your home's entrance should reflect the warmth and charm of the season. But who has the time to set up that perfect autumn display these days? I'm Amelia, and today I'm out in the field with Ike, and we're going to be decorating some front porches. First up, we have our basic package, which is perfect for adding a touch of autumn elegance without overwhelming your space.
This charming package includes a nice selection of classic pumpkins, some vibrant mums, a hay bale, and of course some cornstalks. Just enough to say, welcome autumn.
Looking for a little more fall flair? The standard package builds on the basic, offering you a display that truly pops.
With a richer assortment of pumpkins and gourds, even more colorful mums, and the classic foundations of cornstalks and hay bale, your entrance is going to be undeniably festive and inviting.
This package, as you can see, makes quite a statement. The premium package offers a larger, beautiful display that is sure to make you the envy of the neighborhood.
This package includes hand-picked pumpkins and gourds, the classic cornstalks, hay bales, and custom-planted floral arrangements to give your doorstep the bountiful experience. And if you already have your own decorative elements on hand, like this lantern or that gorgeous welcome sign, we'll incorporate it into the design to create a seamless look.
For the ultimate autumn transformation, we present the Deluxe package. This is our most breathtaking and fabulous offering, designed to bring a fall festival to your front doorstep.
Imagine a colorful display of pumpkins and gourds in various colors, shapes, sizes, and textures, gorgeous fall florals, cornstalks, hay bales, the whole package. That's what the Deluxe is, and it's right on your doorstep with no messy car and no lugging a thing.
No matter which package you choose, you'll enjoy a beautifully decorated home entrance set up hassle-free by our expert team and have more time to enjoy the magic of fall.
That's right. Let us take care of the decorating so you can relax and savor the season.
Ready to welcome fall in style? Visit our website to pick out your perfect fall package and let Bountiful Gardens bring autumn beauty to your door.
You can also get a custom quote for a more personalized design by calling us at one of our garden centers or clicking the button at the bottom of our webpage that says Submit a Landscape Design Inquiry. Thanks for watching and happy autumn.